Let's explore how H2O Label Genie handles summarization tasks. Navigate to the Datasets tab and select CNN Daily Mail sample from the list. We'll focus on summarizing the text column, which holds the articles we want to condense into concise summaries. Click on the Annotation Task tab to create a new task. In the pop-up window that appears, configure the following settings. Task name. Write text summarization. Select dataset. Choose CNN Daily Mail sample from the drop-down. Select task. Choose summarization as the task type. H2O Label Genie is a versatile tool supporting various tasks, including entity recognition, generative AI, classification, summarization, and regression labeling. Its broad functionality makes it a powerful solution for diverse data annotation and processing needs. And lastly, in the Select Text column field, choose Text, which contains the full-length news articles. The next screen allows us to choose a particular model to perform the summarization task. Please note that there are several models available, including Part Large CNN from Facebook, Pegasus Large from Google, our own H2O GPT model, as well as GPT 3.5 and GPT 4 from OpenAI. We shall stick to the default selection and click Continue to annotate. Allow the zero-shot predictions to process. Once done, you'll see a green notification pop up in the top right corner, similar to before. Click Refresh when it appears. The complete summarization will appear on the left panel, while the original text will be displayed on the right panel. If the summary on the left is not satisfactory, you can edit it. Once you're happy with the changes, click Save and Next to save your modifications and approve the summarization.